In today's video, I'll show you how to download GTA Vice City on literally any PC or laptop. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. First of all, open up any web browser on your device. Once it's open, simply search for Rockstar Games. Click on the very first official result that appears in the search list. After you're on the Rockstar Games website, look for the search option, usually located in the top area of the page. Make sure you're in the correct section, specifically the Games section, so everything loads properly. Click on it to continue. Now, in the search bar, type GTA and hit search. You'll see a list of all Grand Theft Auto titles available. From there, locate GTA Vice City and select it. Once you open the game page, you'll see a Buy Now option. Click on it, and it will redirect you to the purchase page. Simply sign into your account, complete the purchase, and the game will be added to your library. And that's it, it's really that simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.